Meet MillX, the cutting-edge milling solution equipped with 2 or 4 spindles, individually driven in all 3 axes. Engineered for excellence, MillX delivers up to 1.5 G accelerations and high feed rates, making it the perfect choice for the demanding needs of aluminum machining. MillX stands out in the market with the smallest footprint among multi-spindle machines, offering you more than just superior performance. It promises higher part throughput with the lowest cost per part, setting a new standard in the industry. From automotive cross-member to aerospace components like floor beams, wing ribs, and airframes, MillX excels in a multitude of applications. With the ability to customize your MillX machine with various coolant options and complete automation, all from one source, we ensure your projects are completed on time and with impeccable precision and efficiency. MillX. High part throughput. Lowest cost per part. Discover the difference today.